Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide on setting up the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi Extender. This powerful yet compact device is designed to eliminate frustrating Wi-Fi dead zones and significantly enhance your network's range and performance. Follow along to get the most out of your extender. Begin by unboxing your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender itself, a detailed quick installation guide to assist with setup, and important warranty information to ensure your device is protected for long-term use. Plug the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet that is located close to your router. Once it's connected, wait for the power LED on the extender to turn solid green, which indicates that the device is powered on and ready for setup. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and search for the extender's default Wi-Fi network. You should see a network name like DAP-1325 listed in your available Wi-Fi options. At this stage, no password is needed to connect. After connecting to the extender, open a web browser on your device and type 192.168.0.50 into the address bar. This will direct you to the Setup Wizard, where you can begin configuring your D-Link DAP-1325. Once the Setup Wizard loads, choose your preferred language from the available options and click on Start to proceed. The wizard will then automatically scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks, allowing you to select your home network for connection. Select your current Wi-Fi network from the list, enter the network password, and click Next to continue. The extender will then establish a connection to your router. Once the connection is successful, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Once the setup is complete, unplug the D-Link DAP-1325 extender and place it in a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the signal LED is green or amber. If it shows red, move the extender closer to the router for better signal strength. Reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network provided by the extender and test the connection. You should now notice a significant improvement in signal strength, especially in areas that previously had weak or no Wi-Fi coverage. Enjoy a more reliable internet experience throughout your home. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of experts is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance with your setup. We're here to ensure you get the most from your device. For assistance, call us at 1-323-507-3713. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of experts is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance with your setup. We're here to ensure you get the most from your device. For assistance, call us at 1-323-507-3713.